Hi, I'm Sheen, and this is next part of painting Direchasm warband. Ailenn the Mirrors purifies, Ailenn the Mind's Edge. Yes. I hope my focus will cooperate with me. Okay, today we'll paint a sword, gold elements, maybe a hair and face, and brown clothes like gloves, shoes, and this tree, brown. Yeah, so at the beginning I will take Mephiston red and maybe a small brush like 00 from Weizang, and we'll paint this grip. Okay, maybe I will need even a smaller one brush. I took now a Slayer from Citadel. Okay, let it dry. Meanwhile, we can take Balthazar Gold base. And I will go from above. So first this. Sword grip. I mean not grip, but this element. You know what, this Weizang is really shitty brush. I will take just my favorite medium layer from Citadel. So now we'll take the other bark. And base coat, clothes and wood. Okay. Now we can take Agrax Earthshade and wash gold elements. Level 2. And this one too. Oh, I forgot to bind the tree. Okay. GG. Meanwhile, we can paint in white this tower. I'm not sure what is it on this banner, but probably a tower. Ah yeah, and I'm using a white scroll. Okay, I will paint hole. And this in middle, later I will repair. Or maybe I will leave it like this one. Okay. Now let's go back to gold and we'll use Liberator Gold. Liar. Oh, wait. I picked a new one. But I have an old finished. Okay, and layer gold elements, but not all. This one here, yes. And this in middle here, this circle, this below too, and on the torso, and here this jewelry or whatever it is. Oh, I forgot with brown to paint here, here and here. I will repeat that. And with gold elements, yes, for now it's all. Okay, I paint this brown elements here. Oh, I forgot even here. Also I must on battle. Yeah, okay. And now we can take Stormhouse Silver and layer again gold elements, but now more will be highlighting. Okay. Now we can back to brown elements, and I will use Gargot Brown. And layer brown elements. Out. Okay. And you know what? I thought it would be go faster, but now I think we can finish this for today. But let's take Steel Legion drop, and now highlight brown elements. And after that we'll finish on today. Glows can be like there were. And okay. So this is the result of today's work. For more photos, I want to invite you on my Instagram, and if you want to see rest of tutorials, see you in the next week. Thank you for watching. Bye.